What is blue in this picture?
The blue ball and the blue mouse.
What is Goofy going to do?
Goofy is going to take the bath.
What would you buy at the circus?
I would like to buy the red balloon.
Is the cat sitting on the chair?
No, the cat is not sitting on the chair. The cat is under the table.
Which monkey has more bananas?
The banana. The monkey where the green hat. That one have more banana.